Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find privacy policy on a CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our CapCut application. This is my CapCut application I have installed in my phone. And after that, we can go to the CapCut setting. We can click on the settings icon on the top right. And here we just need to click on the privacy policy. Okay, and this is the privacy policy in CapCut. If you want to read the whole privacy policy, you can scroll down like this. You can keep scrolling until you reach the end of the privacy policy. Alright guys, and that's how we can find privacy policy on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.